G'day, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little while coming. We're going to engine swap this this bad boy. Since we only have the little 350 in there, it's time to put the big block in. So you've seen the engine rebuild on this one, and we put the little glass window and stuff in there. So anyway, we'll continue to pull this engine out, swap it out with this one, and yeah, hopefully all goes well. This has already got a vape ignition in it, so I put a vape ignition in this one here. We just need to wire it up to the existing coil and everything else. So let's just get into it and start tearing into it. So back on the RD, pulled the old engine out as you've seen. It feels like an eternity getting back to this thing because it's been a while. So yeah, dropped the new motor in there and realised something missing. So I didn't have the rubber mounts. Thought I did, looked everywhere, tore the shed apart, didn't have them. So had to jump on eBay because I couldn't find any anywhere, and the only ones that I could find were in Canada. So got some from the wreckers in Canada somewhere. Can't remember the name of the wreckers, but anyway, got 4. I did want them, well, I did want the bike going for an event that we had, but the old Biketoberfest in Leongatha, but anyway, it wasn't to be. So anyway, so they've turned up, so now it's time to keep chipping away at this thing, and we'll put these rubbers in, put the engine mounts on, bolt all the carbies on, do all that ancillary stuff. And I have to tension the head as well. So from when I built it, I couldn't hold the engine on the bench. So we'll give that a nip up and throw the battery and everything back in and see if this thing will fire up. Fingers crossed. And yeah, we'll keep going. And look at these. Ah, like a bum in a bucket. Oh. Beautiful. Righto, let's bolt her up. Well, things seem a little different here. I know it's a 400 engine, obviously slightly different to the other one, the 350. Well, that's alright. It's okay, we have a welder and a grinder. We'll work it out. Just get them bolted into place roughly, and then I'll weld a bracket on. Okay, it's all back together. Got the pipes on. Had to make some new brackets for those because obviously it's different to a 350 angle, the front, whatever. So you know, we've got a hot glue gun, so we made some new brackets and welded those on. Threw the carbies and everything on there. I did check the jets.
Fuel. Yep. Check the jets. 58 thou. Well, it doesn't sound right, does it? Well, does it? What about the timing? Yeah. Well, go fuck yourself.
And I'm just going to leave them where they are. I mean, it was running okay with the other one. We'll just see how it runs. I'll do a plug chop, see if we're running lean or whatever, but instantly I'll know that it's not running real right, so we'll jet that accordingly if we get to it. So it's got spark. We'll see if we can fire it up and get some noise out of this thing, hopefully good noises. I don't know how this is going to go, so anyway, let's kick it in the belly and see what happens. Have a bit of oil down in the cylinders, but it is starting to clear up, so a little bit concerning. Hopefully it's not a crank seal. Anyway, we'll let it run for a bit. Sounds good. Motor's quiet as a mouse. Look at that. Well, there you go. Yeah, the engine sounds really good. But, can't take it for a ride yet, of course. Need to get a longer not throttle cable, a clutch cable, because the clutch cable I shortened to fit the 350, and this 400 Daytona engine is a hell of a lot longer, so I'll have to order another one of those. Didn't think of that, but you know, didn't think of the engine mounts either, so here we are. Well, so that sounds good. So I've got a lot of little 1%ers to do on it. Yeah, so clutch cable, need to sort out my gear shift here. It's fouling a little bit there. I need to do some modifications there. And now that I've actually shifted the pipes are actually running a lot lower, which is good, because I want to lower these foot pegs down, because they're too high up. Feels like your friggin' knees are up around your ear holes. So I can lower that quite a bit. So I might lower the foot pegs down, and yeah, and then we'll have to address this gear shift, which I'll do that. So I did get a new set of sprockets online, of course, because I can't find. I wanted to put a 520 conversion kit on it rather than running the 530, because I think 530 just a bit of an overkill for a 400. I mean, we're not towing the Titanic or anything. So excuse the mess here. You know, bought these online. These were supposed to be a conversion kit. Turns out they're just standard 530 sprockets. So that's a waste of money. Anyway, we'll get a 520 kit one day. This will be okay for now. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we'll see. We'll just see. So I've got some other things to fix up, but it runs. It sounds good. I'm happy with that. So we'll I'll get a clutch cable organised for it, fit that, and then I'll yeah, fit the clutch cable and whatever, and put it back together, and then we'll go for a ride. So, but that'll do it for this video, I think. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.